everybody, and welcome to Get Moving Yoga with Moonbug. My name's Amy, and today we're going to go on a lion hunt. But before we go on our lion hunt, shall we warm up our body so that we're ready to go? Shall we do the warm-up song? Yes? Okay, let's go. Warm up so you're ready to dance. You need to warm up your body so you're ready to dance. Warm up so you can dance with me. It's time to warm up in 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Reach up to the sky, reach up high, reach your arms into the sky. Reach down to the ground, reach down low, reach to the ground. How low can you go? Wiggle your fingers for 1, 2, 3. Wiggle, 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 warm up with me. Do a little wiggle and jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now stretch your arms, you're all warmed up and ready to dance with me.
Little baby bump.
Going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Gonna snap a big one, gonna snap a big one. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh no.
Oh no, tall grass, tall grass. Can't go over it, can't go over it. Can't go under it, can't go under it. Can't go around it, can't go around it. Have to go through it, have to go through it.
Swish, swish.
Swish, swish. Going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Gonna snap a big one, gonna snap a big one. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh no.
Oh no, a river, a river. Can't go over it, can't go over it. Can't go under it, can't go under it. Can't go around it, can't go around it. Have to go through it, have to go through it.
Splash, splash.
Splash, splash. Going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Gonna snap a big one, gonna snap a big one. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh no.
Oh no, a cave, a cave. Can't go over it, can't go over it. Can't go under it, can't go under it. Can't go around it, can't go around it. Have to go through it, have to go through it. Shh, shh, shh. Going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Gonna snap a big one, gonna snap a big one. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh no.
Oh no, a lion, a lion. Back through the cave, back through the river.
Splash, splash.
Splash, splash. Back through the long grass.
Swish, swish.
Swish, swish. Phew, we're home safely.
They found a lion. They found a sleeping lion, didn't they? I wonder if we're going to find a lion on our lion hunt. Are we ready to go? Okay, let's take our feet wide and let's get ready to go on our lion hunt. Reach up to the sky and take down your shoe. And we're going to put it on one foot. And tie your shoelace and reach up again and down to the other foot and tie your shoelace And now we're going to put on our jacket. So reach to the side and put on one arm of your jacket. And reach to the other side and put on the other arm to your jacket. And now we're going to zip up our jacket. Zip. I think we need to put a hat on as well because it's quite sunny outside. Are we ready? Reach up and put on your hat and tie it under your neck. And we need our camera in case we find that lion to take a picture. So reach up for your camera and put it around your neck. We're ready to go. Are you ready? Bring your feet together. Put your camera in front of you and let's go. We're going on a lion hunt. We're going on a lion hunt. Oh, grass? Oh, it's very long, the grass. Oh no. We can't go under it. Come to your tummy. Lie down flat. Oh, we can't go under it. Nope. And we can't go over it. Push your bottom up to the sky. Push. Nope, we can't go over it. Bring your feet in and come to standing. Oh, we can't go around it. Turn around. We'll have to go through it. Take your feet wide and stretch your arms up to the sky and go through your legs. We'll have to go through the grass. Are we ready? Put your feet together and reach your arms up to the sky. Put your palms together and we're going to go swish, 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 swish like long grass. Can you make the swish sound too? Swish, swish, swish. Well done. Put on your camera again and let's carry on. We're going on a lion hunt. We're going on a lion hunt. A river? We can't go under it. Come onto your tummy. We can't go under the river. We can't go over the river. No, we can't go over it. Walk your feet in. Come to standing. We can't go around it. Turn around. We'll have to go through it. Take your legs wide and your arms up to the sky and go through your legs. Through. Are we ready to go splashing through the river? Are we ready? Splash, 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 splash. Uh-oh, we're all wet now. Oh, never mind. Let's put on our camera again. We're going on a lion hunt. We're going on a lion hunt. Uh-oh. A cave? We can't go around it. Turn around. Take your feet out. Reach your arm up to the sky. We'll have to go through it. And reach through your legs. Through. Okay. It's a very dark, quiet cave. So we're going to have to tiptoe into the cave. Tiptoe all the way around your mat. Are you ready? Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Have a look through your camera. It's a sleeping lion. Take a picture. It's a lion. Come to your knees. We're going to do a lion's breath. So on the count of 3, we're going to sit up open your hands and open your tongue, and we're going to do a big scary lion breath like this. Can you do it? Are we ready? Come back down. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, see if you can make it even scarier. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there were some very scary lions. Uh-oh, quick, before the sleeping lion wakes up. Shh, back through the cave. Shh, tiptoe, 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 shh, tiptoe, tiptoe. Shh, back through the river. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splosh. Back through the grass, feet together, reach up tall, and swish, 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 swish. Oh, we're home. Open the door. Ooh, inside. And close the door. Ready? Up. Oh, that was a little bit scary. Were you scared? Or were you really, really brave? At least we saw a lion on our lion hunt. Thank you for joining me on our lion hunt. I think it's time now, because that was a very busy lion hunt. I think it's time that we had a little rest and a little relax. Okay, come to your bottom. And let's have a little lie down. We must be very tired after our lion hunt. Lie down and stretch out your legs in front of you. Oh, have a nice little breath here. And again. Now we're going to lift our legs and our arms in the air and shake it all out. Shake all that tension away. Shake, 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 and relax. And shake it all again. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, shake it all out and relax. Relax. Hug your knees into your chest. Lift up your head and give your knees a little kiss. And say, thank you, knees. Thank you, knees. Oh, and come back down. Put your feet on the floor and roll onto your side and lift yourself up. Oh, cross your legs. To finish, shall we do our lion breath? Shall we try it? Hands on your knees, and after 3, we're going to go. Okay, are we ready? 1, 2, 3. See if you can do it this time like a baby lion, so you don't make a sound. So just the tongue and the hands, because a baby lion hasn't got a big, big roar. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done. Super duper. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today on another yoga adventure. I hope you had a lot of fun. So we'll see you all again soon for another adventure. Bye bye, everybody.